Hello everybody, welcome to another update session on the newest things about the XOAP platform. Today I'm going to show you briefly the newest things that we deployed, and I don't want to talk too much, just start with showing you what's new. The first thing you'll see when you log into your workspaces is now a completely new overhauled design system. So we reworked our complete platform with a new light and dark mode switcher that you also can see in the navigation bar. So you can now switch directly without going to a settings page between light and dark mode. We also added now the workspace name here to the navigation bar. That's for the customers that have a lot of workspaces to have a easier overview of where they actually are working. Besides that, we also improved the navigation bar and adjusted the area names to make it a little bit more clear what it's all about. So application roles to application roles. For example, here in configuration management, configuration groups, and image management, we also renamed images to image definitions to make that a little bit more clear and to help you navigating through the complete solution. What else did we do? Besides the fact that we reworked the design system, we also changed the data table behavior. We now have sticky headers here in all the data tables and put in all the available actions to the right side here, which is also sticky. So that improved a lot from a usability perspective. And in addition to that, we did a lot of work in our backends, so the complete solution is now much faster from a performance perspective. And you will see that when you navigate through the application that things are getting got really quick now here. And for example, for the scripted actions, if you go here and for example, take this one here, demo, I'll create a new resource group now, just save this, run this. You will see it's much faster in the behavior of what's actually being done here, and that's throughout the complete platform. Besides that, we added a feature that was requested a lot of times. So if you have image definitions that you created, you can now go here into the details view and also adjust for example, the role, the tags, the descriptions, and you also have like a detailed view of the status when the images were running successfully, when they failed, and you can also see now the details of all the assigned provisioners, the groups, the roles, so everything that belongs to this image is now visible here as well. And you can dive into the details and adjust it to your own needs. Let's close this again. So basically, those are the most important things that might not be or might not seem much, but that is a huge game changer for us because it paves the way for us to move forward with a lot of more features that we have in our pipeline here throughout the complete platform. And one last thing that I want to mention that's also like a major change for us. We with the latest changes, we adjusted the baseline module that is basically used in configuration management to install applications, get information back from our clients. So we updated it to the latest version. And that's something that we adjusted also automatically in the backend for the existing configurations, just for you to be aware of that there is a new version available. And that's now the one that should be used with the newest update that we made here this week. So that's it in short for me. Next time I will have more updates for you, and they will be also more visible as only this small design system change here. Have a great time. See you next time with the latest updates, and enjoy your day. See you. Bye bye.